Look at all of these conkers. They're brown and shiny and very smooth. And they've all fallen from the tree and they've come out of their conker case, their spiky conker case. Oh, it's very soft inside. Soft inside and spiky, sharp and spiky on the outside. Conkers. Conkers. What's the first sound you can hear in conkers? Conkers. Can you hear the k sound? Let's write it. Let's write k with conkers. This is the letter you need to spell the k sound in conkers. I'm writing the letter k, the letter that spells k with conkers. Let's put another one at the top. K, k, k for conkers. Let's write the whole word, conkers. Oh, k. There's another letter that spells k, k, on, k. Two letters, one sound, conker. But we haven't just got one conker. We've got lots of conkers. Can you hear the last sound? Conkers. Let's write it. Conkers. See if you can find some conkers and their sharp, spiky cases. Have fun.